Mega mind. What's up, people? Yeah? What up? Welcome to November. Welcome to the next day of your life. Welcome to the newest day of your life. Welcome to the first day of the new world. The new way of thinking. The new revolution. Was the DC rally a success? Yes. Were we surrounded by 200,000 people having a awesome time? Yes. Did we enter a over 35 breakdancing contest the night before the rally and injure our knees? Yes, we did. Do we like people who ask questions themselves and then answer the same question as they're talking in their manner of speaking? No. So I'll stop that. What is up? I'm going to keep it short and sweet because there's too much to talk about. Too much to talk about what's going to happen this week. The rally was amazing, fantastic, and we partied. We had a spinning, rotating hotel on the top, a restaurant on top of our hotel, and we just lit this place up. They let me DJ, basically take over the CD machine that they were playing at the restaurant, which became a club afterwards. They call it a club. But we got drunk and had a really great time, and then the next day the rally was phenomenal. They are not ready for that many people to ride the subway stations in DC, but that's another thing. We made a couple of newspapers, took 1 million pictures, got 6 hours of footage. Our model showed up and she was fantastic, and everything ran awesome. We even got out of there in a reasonable manner, and it was great. So we're gonna put some footage together. You missed a really great time if you didn't come down, because that's the kind of thing you want to be a part of. So, let's talk about November 1st, 2010. If you've never done anything, if you've never come to the website, and this is your first time here, you're thinking, why is this guy sitting in what looks like a dark room somewhere in his house, Jerry Garcia hanging out, and Dr. Dre playing in the background. What is this? What can it be? What does it mean? Double rainbow. What does it mean? Oh my God. I don't know what it means. That's what I've learned also. I learned this weekend that everybody has a message. My message again is just to save. I went as the Jesus Christ of Wall Street because of what I do here. And somebody did dub me the Jesus Christ of Wall Street because I've been doing this all for free. All the things that I provide at this website, in these videos, in the chat room and all that stuff, and the camaraderie and everything I've built, and I've done it for free, is things that you get charged for normally. So let's just leave it at that. And if this is day one, you're still wondering, we're 3 minutes in, are you entertained? Are you feeling that you've lost part of your sanity, part of your self, wasting your time with me? Here's the story. Sometimes the videos mean nothing but just an attraction to get you to the video to hear me bitching and moaning about something. But in the quagmire and in the ether of it all, there's gems out there. Of course, we had the Google and the Broadcom were our latest ones, and this week we got LLNW, CBOE, DRYS, RINO. Not saying if I'm short or long right now, I'm just giving vague thing, telling you stuff. Earnings are coming out. Okay, earnings are coming out, and I think all those companies, but the most important thing is that finally the QE2 and elections and all the reasoning for the low volume and all the reasoning behind everything. Are we going to have more stimulus? The market's a crackhead who needs its fix right now. How much of a drug, how much of an injection are we going to get, if any? Are they going to raise interest rates? Never raise interest rates? All that's on the table. And it's all going to culminate Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And that also culminates with the fact, and this is the most important part of the entire video, right here, I'm not going to be around. My flight leaves Wednesday morning, coinciding with some of the most important data points, releases, events that the market is apparently waiting for. Now, as everyone's thinking that we're going into these moves, we're going into this week with these massive anticipation of what they're going to say in the elections. First of all right, I'm going to stop right now because I want to talk about the elections. I want to talk about QE2. I want to talk about why the market is just a manipulated bubble one more time. And I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to get to that later because those are some really key points. If you search Jesus Christ of Wall Street at the rally, I'm in one article so far. I know I was in about 100 photos, but the sane clown posse was there, and I'm afraid of clowns, so I made my way over to hang out with the clowns as the Jesus Christ of Wall Street. We bonded, and she said that I was weirder than she was, which, I don't know. Clowns, weird, scary. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Hopefully you had an awesome Halloween. I went trick-or-treating with my kids, and I'm saying I went trick-or-treating with my kids. Full costume. The other parents were really wondering if I was actually going to go up. I was like, hey, listen, in most countries, if you go door to door asking for food, you'll get in trouble. You'll get shot at. So I was up there looking for like dollar handouts and talking about the economy with people that open the door. It's pretty funny. And then I asked for a Kit Kat. Happy Halloween, and be prepared. Be prepared this week, and I'm going to talk to you later on how to be prepared for the oncoming volatility that everyone's predicting. And if it doesn't happen, we're going to be prepared for that too. All right. All right, as my grandma would say.
I would much prefer Kroll.